Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating a user login system in JavaScript involves several key steps. First, you need to set up a front-end interface where users can input their credentials, typically a username and password. This interface can be built using HTML and styled with X to enhance user experience. Next, you will need to handle user input validation to ensure that the credentials meet certain criteria, such as length and format. Once validated, the input data is sent to a server, often using ajax or fetch API, where it can be processed. On the server side, you will check the credentials against stored user data, usually kept in a database. If the credentials match, generate a session or token to maintain user authentication. This session can be managed using cookies or local storage. Finally, implement security measures like hashing passwords and using hooks to protect user data. Testing the system for vulnerabilities is crucial to ensure a secure user login experience.